RYOBI has made it easier for you to choose which lawnmower is right for you. We have a tool for every yard, whether you have a small, medium, or large size property. Starting with our 18-volt 1+ system, our HP brushless mowers are perfect for your small to medium scale properties. One of the reasons you might consider one of our 18-volt lawnmowers is that you're already established in the platform. You already have those batteries that can only extend runtime that much further. Moving up to our 40-volt lineup, these 40-volt lawnmowers deliver the performance and power of gas made for medium to large-scale yards. For those of you who still haven't made the switch from gas lawnmowers, there's never been a better time to go green and save green. Our RYOBI 40-volt electric lawnmowers provide you all of the great advantages of gas without all of the hassle, less maintenance, and all with a push-button start. Every yard is different, which is why RYOBI offers a large assortment of mowers. The push mower is ideal for flat, medium-sized lawns. The self-propelled mower offers more ease of use for larger yards with hills on the property. Our top-of-the-line unit is our all-wheel drive mower. This allows you to experience ultimate control and traction to tackle larger lawns with steep hills. You should also consider our lineup of RYOBI Whisper Series products. Don't you hate when your neighbor wakes you up when they power up their gas-powered outdoor equipment? This will not be the case with the Whisper Series products. And of course, all of our 40-volt batteries will power any one of our over 85 40-volt tools.